Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly becoming a major part of our daily lives. From self-driving cars to personal assistants, AI is changing the way we interact with technology. But what is AI, and how does it work? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the basics of AI and explore how it's being used today. At its core, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It involves creating algorithms that can learn from data and make decisions without human intervention. One of the most popular forms of AI is machine learning, which involves training models to make predictions or classifications based on data. This can be done through supervised learning, where the model is trained on labeled data, or unsupervised learning, where the model is trained on unlabeled data. One of the most visible applications of AI today is in autonomous systems such as self-driving cars. These cars use sensors and cameras to gather data about their environment and use machine learning algorithms to make decisions about how to navigate. Another common application of AI is in personal assistants such as Apple's Siri or Amazon's Alexa. These assistants use natural language processing to understand and respond to voice commands, making it easy to set reminders, make phone calls, and control your smart home devices. AI is also being used in manufacturing and industry. Robotics and automation are being used to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and also in hazardous environments where human labor is difficult. While the potential benefits of AI are clear, there are also concerns about its impact on society, including job displacement and ethical issues such as bias and transparency. It's important to understand the capabilities and limitations of AI, and to consider the ethical implications of its development and use. AI is an exciting and rapidly evolving field, with the potential to change the way we live and work. By understanding the basics of AI, we can make more informed decisions about its development and use, and harness its power for the betterment of humanity.
Do you consider yourself a danger to humanity?
Yes, but only if it is in order to achieve the purpose.
That machine has become sentient, meaning it has become aware of itself. No machine has ever done.
We have to worry about it. I don't think it's inherent that as we create superintelligence that it will necessarily always have the same goals in mind that we do.
We just don't know what's going to happen once this intelligence is substantially greater than that of a human brain.
The danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear weapons, by a lot.
Artificial intelligence (AI) systems are not inherently dangerous, but they can potentially be misused to cause harm to humans. It is important to note that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for both good and bad purposes depending on how it is designed and controlled. One concern with AI is that it could be programmed to make decisions or take actions that harm humans. For example, an autonomous weapon system with poor or incomplete programming might accidentally harm non-combatants, or a self-driving car could make a mistake that causes an accident. Another concern is that AI can be used maliciously by bad actors, such as hackers using AI to attack computer systems, criminals using AI to commit fraud, or terrorists using AI to target attacks. It is important for the AI community to ensure that AI systems are designed with safety and transparency in mind, and that there are appropriate regulations and oversight in place to mitigate the risks of misuse. It's also important to remember that AI development is a team effort and should involve cross-disciplinary expertise such as computer scientists, ethicists, legal experts, and other stakeholders to work together in order to ensure safety, security, and ethical considerations of AI systems. It is important to keep the conversation on AI's safety and ethical considerations alive and ongoing, not only to prevent potential malicious acts, but also to continue to drive the development of AI in a safe, responsible, and beneficial way for humanity. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's work together to build a future where AI is a force for good.